Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil and my roll number is 21ME30044 and I belong to section 14. This is my DIY project 1, a CAD model of a vase cum stand. Uh, this can be used as a stand in the top, and we can insert like flowers and leaves, whatever for a design if you want, into these like a flower vase. These are hollow sections where you can insert those, and inside this base there is a hollow part to the sides, so this can work well as a base, as a flower vase. I want to show how I made it. Firstly, I'll start with the base. uh, I made an additive loft with circles of different radius and at different heights, and then I filleted it at the bottom. Yeah, this is how it looks. And I gave it a thickness by using this uh, thick solid feature. Go to this stand, it will stand. Yeah, I put it as a solid from top to bottom so that it should have enough strength to hold even a heavier object. First, I made a sketch and revolved it, and that resulted in this. Then I made this solid part which is supposed to be in the sides so that you can insert those flowers and things. This is what I made, like with three different circles at different heights. Okay. And by using this polar pattern feature, I made it into three symmetrically and then gave them thickness. And by using this thickness of the solids and lofted base, I and by using uh, Boolean operator cut, I have cut the parts of these hollow pipes which goes inside the base, and that resulted in this. And also by using these solids of which I got through polar pattern feature, and by using this thickness of the base part, and that resulted in this. And then by joining this with a central stand, uh, by using fuse Boolean operator, it resulted in this. And by joining this part with the cut section of the base, it resulted in the final product design, final product 3D model. And yeah, I exported the mesh STL mesh file of this to Ultimaker Cura, and it shows necessary options. I took the wall thickness as 0.2 mm as mentioned in the assignment sheet. Infill density 20%. I took the infill pattern as grid, and the temperature, printing temperature, that all depends on the material. I'm not using any material because I didn't connect this to any actual 3D printer. This is an Ultimaker printer which I chose from the options, like some random 3D printer. I also chose this generate support option so that it generates a support if it requires, and after the 3D model is printed, we can remove that off. And I got 6 hours 15 minutes for that, for printing it, and we can see layer by layer how the print goes on. We can see here This is a hollow part, and this is a stand which is a solid totally with the infill density 20%, like as it shows. And these are the supporters for the hollow section here that goes on layer by layer and finally resulted in this, the vase come stand. Thank you. Do say me in the comments like how you felt about this design and what you felt about this video.